Welcome. If you want to change picture mode in your Sharp Aquos TV, at first you have to grab your remote control and simply click on this picture button. When you make it, at the bottom of your screen, there's some kind of notification. We have to click OK to accept. So as I said, at the bottom of your screen, there's the 3 different presets. It's personal, economy, and this annoying notification, and the standard. So that's how we can go through of them, and that's how we can change them. I don't know what is going on with this notification, but basically we have to accept it every time that we try to change the picture mode. And you can also change the picture mode and adjust them manually by going to the menu and picking the picture tab. As you can see right here, we can still switch between this modes, and we can adjust the contrast, brightness, color sharpness, color temperature. Unfortunately, the aspect ratio is unavailable. I don't know why, but we can also find the expert settings where we can find the noise reduction and active contrast. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.